How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So right now me and Sammy are heading out to check out another car. We'll try and see if we can record while we purchase the vehicle. If not, then you guys will see it afterwards once we already have it in our possession. But yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button because you guys are going to be seeing Honda, Nissan, and what other BMW content. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a like. Let's go get this car.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we already have the car with us, and it's actually some pretty bad news. We bought the car and we test drive it and everything. Car drives perfectly fine. So previous owner did say he didn't drive for 3 years. The plate sticker said that it was the last time he registered was in the 7th of 2017, so he hasn't been driving it for about I want to say 3 years. Yeah, it's 3 years. No, actually more. So we get the car and everything. We're driving it and it starts dying slowly. We got it for a good price, so we took it and we get stuck on the side of the road. So literally right now, the tow truck is unloading it from the flatbed, and yeah, I'll give you guys an update right now shortly. So the car that we got is a 2000 Honda Civic EX. So basically it's on coilovers, full catback exhaust, 5-speed manual, and it's ready to get a K-Series swap. So we're gonna do a K-Series swap on this. It already has a carbon fiber hood, as you guys can see, real carbon. It has this little imperfections like on the paint and everything, but that's something we can fix because either way we're gonna figure out how to paint cars and everything, so hopefully we can do it to this car. But yeah, so now the car is dead. Try to start it. Yeah, so you guys can see what is it that it's doing. But yeah, it's a pretty clean car. I mean, it's a 2-door. It's not bad looking at all. It definitely needs to get the wheels powder coated, but other than that, it's a pretty solid car. But yeah, so if you guys want to see us trying to turn on this car and trying to get it started, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully we can get this car started, and we're probably gonna do a K-Series swap on it for sure, because why not? And then yeah, so guys, hit the subscribe button to see more Honda Civic content, see more Nissan content, and see more BMW content. I'll see you guys in the next one.